guys, I'm going to show you how I spot clean my brushes. These are the ones that I'm going to do today. Honestly, spot cleaning brushes are way easier than you would think, and the only product I'm going to use is my ISO Clean. This literally is the fastest thing. So all you do, spray it a couple of times and then on a clean surface. Usually I use a face cloth or kitchen towel. You just rub in circles and that is now clean. Literally everything will come off this, and these brushes will be dry within about 60 seconds. If I just flip this, I can spray it again and just show you that this is now completely clean. Now this brush actually has the Amylouise fresh ink, this stuff, on. I'm just gonna give this a quick clean. Now these do take a while to get out of brushes using soap and water, but ISO Clean just makes it an absolute breeze. So let's just check this. Beautiful. Okay, all those brushes are now clean, they are sterilised, and I can go on with the rest of my day without having to, you know, stress that I need to go wash my brushes. I hope you like this. I hope this was helpful, and if you would consider subscribing, please do. That would mean the world to me, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.